Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. What else can you do on an F-1, which is a student visa, other than go to school? Well, first of all, you have to go to school full time. You have to maintain a C average. And you have to be doing satisfactorily in all of your classes. You are allowed to work part-time on campus while in school. Okay, this assumes that you don't yet have OPT, which is optional practical training. Once you take a sufficient amount of school and have been there a certain period of time, you are eligible to get OPT and to work anywhere for full time and anything related to your degree. Once you have OPT, you can even open up your own business, invest in your own firm, make your own LLC. Of course, there's issues afterwards, whether or not you can continue that. A lot of people, they don't think about that. They find out that they can actually open up their own business on, on an F-1 OPT, only to find out when the OPT ends, they can no longer run the business because they'll be violating their status. So if you happen to come from a country that has a treaty with the United States, and depending how much you invested in that, you might be able to switch that to an E2. But that's for another video. So you are allowed, to work part-time on campus, and you can do passive investments. Now, I cannot tell you all the time that I get these questions where, these people will try to justify what they're doing is passive to get it under this rule without even a veil of a reasonable argument. They'll say, I'm going to invest in an LLC. I'm going to be the CEO of the company. But my spouse, who has a work visa, or my partner, is going to actually run it, and I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to sit back. So it's purely a passive investment. Well, it doesn't work like that. Number one, it's not believable. Okay. Even though you try to say it like that, it's not believable. And number two, it's not permitted. If you want to invest in some stocks and things like that, you can do that. So this basically are the things you can do on an F1 that are permissible, and certain things which I've stated that are not. Okay.